Yes, student, today we are learning concept of cost price and selling price. So first of all, we're going to understand what is cost price and selling price. Suppose you went to a shop for buying packet of pen. Then you have to pay some price for that packet. The price that you pay to the shopkeeper will be called as cost price. And the price at which the shopkeeper sell it will be called as selling price. So in short we can say the price at which we buy something is called as cost price. Buy, this point you have to, at which we buy something will be called as cost price. And the price at which we sell something is called as selling price. So first of all you have to understand this. Now let us take the concept of profit. Now we are going to understand profit. When a shopkeeper sell any material that is available in his shop to the customer, then he compare that price with the price at which he bought that material from the retailer. If the price at which he bought, means the cost price, is more and selling price, means the price at which he sell to the customer, is less, then he suffers a loss. Why? Because he paid more amount for that material to the retailer and he got less amount for that material from the customer. So he suffer a loss. But if the cost price is less, it means he bought that article at less amount and he sell it to the customer in more amount, then he got a profit or gain. Then he get a profit or gain. So first we are taking profit. In profit, whenever you have to find profit, the amount of profit, then profit will be calculated by subtracting cost price from selling price. Selling price minus cost price. As in case of profit, selling price is more and cost price is less, so we will going to subtract cost price from selling price. It means we'll going to put selling price at the first place and cost price at the second place, because we subtract the smaller amount from the bigger one. So for finding the profit you have to use this formula: profit equal to selling price minus cost price. And if you have to find loss, in case of loss, cost price will be more. So for finding loss, we have to use the relation CP minus SP, cost price minus selling price. So by using these two relations, you can find the profit or loss. Now if you have to find profit and loss in term of percentage, then how it can be calculated? For finding profit percent, we have to calculate according to this formula: profit upon cost price into 100. As we have to find profit percent, so profit upon cost price into 100. At the denominator we have to take cost price. Why we are taking cost price? Because we have to compare with the price at which the article has been brought. And if we have to find loss percent, then the formula will be loss upon CP into 100. Why we are multiplying by 100? Because we have to find the percentage. So again these two formula will be used if you have to find profit percent or loss percent. Thank you.